What's going on, everyone? Here in front of me, I've got the Tusk UTV full service kits. Now, this is exactly what you need to make sure that your machine is ready for a new season or for your next big ride. This is gonna come with all the fluids and filters that you need to make sure all your expensive engine, differential, and transmission components are covered and protected. Now, when it comes to your UTV and servicing it, there's lots of ways that you can go about things to make sure you get the maximum life out of your machine and out of those expensive components. But there's also some easy things to overlook that can cause issues down the road. Tusk has taken the worry out of it with these full service kits. And the first thing that we've got to talk about when it comes to these kits are these are machine specific. So when you jump to our webpage, you're gonna wanna make sure to put in your year, make, and model of machine to get the kits that we make for your machine. One of the cool things about our webpage is once you've selected the oil type you want and the filter that you want, you can scroll down into the details and that'll show you exactly what's coming in the kit that you've selected. Now, when it comes to fluids, we've got these in a couple different styles for you. We've got it with the Bel Ray, the Maxima, and even the Polaris OEM oils. Now, this is gonna come with all of the correct types and amounts that you're going to need for your engine, transmission, and differential. Now, one thing you are going to wanna do once you've purchased your kit, you are gonna wanna refer to your owner's manual to make sure you get the proper amounts. If your machine uses 2 1/4 quart, this is gonna come with 3 quarts. You're not gonna wanna use all that oil. You'll have a little left over. Now, when it comes to filters, this is gonna come with the Tusk oil filters for your machine. And then when it comes to air filters, this is where you're gonna have a little bit of an option. Some kits are gonna come with the OEM filters, like this Kawasaki OEM air filter. And then others will give you the option between the Tusk First Line air filter and the Tusk Pro Defense filter. Now, we've got a video spotlight on these Tusk filters that you'll have to check out, but suffice it to say, we've put thousands of hours of testing time into these air filters, and they are going to do a great job. Now, when it comes to finishing out these kits, they also come with all of the small components that you're needing. You're gonna have your oil drain plug crush washers. You're gonna have some O-rings for your drain plugs for your differential if your machine uses them, and then you get a disposable funnel. It's gonna make putting all of these fluids into your machine nice and easy. Now, these kits are exactly what you're gonna want to make sure your machine is all the way ready to go for a new season or that next big ride. Get yours by clicking on the link below, and as always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, thanks so much for watching.